Hello friends, so today we're gonna discuss something about kitchen knives. Those who are new to my channel, I just wanted to tell you guys that I am explaining the theory of food production, that is kitchen knowledge, in detail a chef should know. I am explaining all this from the beginning and that too in detail, covering all the small points as well. Do watch it till the end. It will be really helpful to you all. Do hit the like button, share it with all your friends and family. So let's get started. Talking something about a journal knife. It says that a kitchen knife is any basic knife that is used to do the basic food preparation, that is cutting, chopping, mincing, paring, etc. So all the basic preparations are done by the knife. It is one of the most important tools used in the kitchen. Before using a knife, a beginner should know how to hold a chef knife and how to use it. As it has very sharp edge, that's why you can end up be hurting yourself. So make sure that you use it properly. Always keep your knife clean. Also wash and rinse it with the warm soap water. Always use a chopping board. Never use your knife directly on your working station or your working table. One of the most important points says that sharp your knife properly and always care your knife. Never use them very roughly. They are the best friends, pride and honor of the chef. So the next point says that different materials which are used in the preparing of chef knife blade are carbon steel, stainless steel, titanium, plastic and high carbon stainless steel. So now we are going to talk about the anatomy of a chef knife, that is different sections and different parts of a chef knife. So here's a picture in front of you where you all can see. So starting from the left side, from this left side, this full area is known as the blade, as this blade is mentioned here. So it covers the points from this side till this side. So this full area of a chef knife is known as the blade and the handle, and this is the handle of a chef knife. So under both these headings there are different parts, but majorly a knife consists of these two parts, which are a blade and a handle. So then under the blade there is a spine, which is the dull edge of the knife. So as you all can see that the spine is the dull edge of the knife, it is not sharpened. Then there is the tip, the belly. This whole area of the blade is also known as the belly. Then there is the cutting edge. This whole area is known as the cutting edge. It is the sharp edge of a knife from which different food commodities are cut. Then there is this point, which is known as the heel of a knife. And then finally there is the area, this one, and there is the area which connects the handle to the blade of a knife, which is known as the boister. So all these spine, tip, belly, cutting edge, heel and boister, all these things come under comparatively in the blade. So now we are going to talk about the handle. What all different parts come under the handle. So then there is the handle. There are the rivets. So first we are going to talk about the rivets, which connects the gripping handle, the black gripping handle, to the blade extended area. So as you all can easily see that this metal blade is extended over here, and these rivets are the these rivets are the small screws which help this material, this handle material, help to bind it with the blade extended area. Then there is this tang, which is the lower part of the handle where the fingers rest while holding a knife. Then finally there is this butt, which is the end or the back area of the handle. So that's the anatomy of a chef knife. I hope that you all had understand it. So all these parts are basically come under the chef knife. Different knives have different anatomy, but basic anatomy of a knife or of a chef knife is here in front of you. So now coming to the next slide, we are going to discuss different types of knives that are commonly used in kitchen. So the first one is, as you all can easily recognize it, it's a chef knife. So talking something about chef knife, a chef knife is also known as a cook's knife or a French knife. It is also used as an all-purpose knife and is commonly used in every section of the kitchen too. So to know more about different sections of the kitchen, I had uploaded a video on my channel. Do watch it. It will be really helpful to you all to understand about the different sections that are there in the kitchen. A notification had just popped up in the I button, which is on the top right corner of the screen. Go and check it out. Most common available sizes of a chef knife are between 15 and 30 centimeters. So the second knife we are going to talk about is, you can easily recognize it. Yes, it's a bread knife. So the first point says that bread knife is used for cutting breads due to its serrated edges. As you all can easily see that these edges is known as the serrated edges. So these edges helps the knife to easily cut the bread, even if it's a crusty bread or it's a soft bread. It too helps in cutting all types of bread very easily, be it a soft or a crusty one. So as we had discussed just now, it easily cuts the bread and helps the chef to go on. This knife is mainly used in bakery as well as in the garde-manger, as garde-manger means cold kitchen, which prepares sandwiches. That's why they also requires a chef knife. So to know more about the bakery and the garde-manger, I had uploaded 2 different videos on my channel. Do check them out and make sure that they will be really informative to you all guys. The video had just popped out in the I button of your right hand corner of your screen. Go and check that out. So the last point says that the bread knife are usually between 15 and 25 centimeters, which is 6 and 10 inches. So that's all for the day guys. I hope that this video will help you to increase your knowledge. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down if you still have any doubts, share it with all your friends and family, and for more such knowledge, keep watching What the Food. Bye bye.